Hey guys, today we'll be checking out a few apps for Windows Phone. We'll start off with Prime TV. So as you saw on the live title, you'll get a list of shows on there and it'll tell you when they air and things like that. So this is the main interface, and from here you can add TV shows by clicking the small button there. You can search for your favorite show or go into trending and check out some of the trending shows in there. So for the ones that you have already added into your list, it'll be grayed out and you'll get this small added banner on top. And if you want to add a new one, you just click on that and click on the tick mark, and that should add that show to your list. And so as you can see, it'll tell you, like on Monday, you can watch How I Met Your Mother on CBS at 10 a.m. and 2.5 Men 11 a.m. on CBS as well. So if you jump into any show, it'll give you a bit of information about the show, how many episodes are there that you haven't watched yet, and the cast and the summary about the show. So these are the episodes. You can select various seasons and jump into those as well. And clicking on any episode will give you a short summary of the episode. And if there is a video available on YouTube for the trailer, they'll pick that up. It's still in beta, so it might not always work. And there are pictures from the show that'll pick that up as well. And your shout box is also there, so you can share messages with other fans. And you get a handy list of upcoming shows, so it'll tell you when these episodes will air, and the episodes that was recently aired, news about the shows, etc. And if you have a Track.tv account, you can sign in and get recommendations and stuff. And you can also use your Twitter account to share the shows on Twitter. So one other thing is the live tile. It'll show you what are the shows that are going to come out. And if there are more shows, it'll show a +2 at the bottom. And you can change this live tile by going into the app and using the accelerometer to shake the phone, and you see that the live tile will come up. It'll show you the list of shows that are coming up next, and you can pick between those. And if you want that, just press the tick mark, and that should come through in a few minutes time. And I'm gonna have a look at Quick Timer, which is a egg timer app for Windows Phone. It's got this Metro interface where you can select the number of hours that you want, the number of minutes, and the number of seconds. And once you hit play, and even if you switch the screen off, the phone should start ringing. So you get this tactile feedback as well. And unfortunately, you cannot configure the sound or anything like that, and if you jump out of the app, it will not work. So, and if you jump out, and even after 3 seconds, it would not start ringing. But if you hold down and go back into the app, you'll see that it just reset. So as long as you don't jump out of the app and just switch the screen off, it should work. And yeah, it's a simple app. It's got the Metro look to it, and it's free. So if you want an egg timer app, do check it out. Now we'll check AppTracker, which is an app mainly targeted towards developers. So if you have an app on the marketplace, you can search for that app, and you can favorite. Once you favorite it, you'll see the small heart icon here. And so once you favorite that, it'll be shown in your followed list. If you go into the app, it'll give you your description, and you can check out the various reviews that people has left. You can sort that out by country and based on rating, date, etc. And you can only show the new ones, so if there are any new reviews, only those will show up. So you can also check what are the stars that people have given, And again, you can check that worldwide or country-wise as well. And yeah, so it's a handy tool for developers to keep track of all the reviews, so you don't need to jump onto your developer account on your PC. You can quickly pick up this app and have a look through all the reviews from here. And now we'll take a look at Elec Cons Monitor, which is an app that tracks your electric consumption over a period of time. So you have to manually enter the data, and then once you enter all the data, you've got various charts that you can pull up. So you can analyze this by weeks, months, and things like that. And it gives you a chart and it plots the graph. Switching over to landscape, you'll see that the graph will realign itself. And the app supports live tiles as well. So if you want to plug that onto your home screen, that works as well. And the developer hopes to add online backup and community statistics in future versions. So if there's something that you're looking for, there is an option for it, and the trial allows you to run this for about 6 times, and then you got to get the paid version. Now let's have a look at Morse Coder. So this app uses or gives you the ability to send out sound or light signals that represents the Morse code. So you just type in your message and pick one of the options. You can pick either sound or light, or pick both, and click on the send message in Morse code button. And I'm not very familiar with Morse code myself, so if somebody who knows this could check the validity of the code and let us know if it's actually working properly, that'll be great. And so yeah, so you can type in any message that you want and check one of the options, and that should allow you to send the message in Morse code. And for some reason, if you type something in and click outside there, the message gets deleted, and I hope the developer could fix that in future versions. And so that is a simple app. It's called Morse Coder, and it's available for free from the marketplace.